No one's gonna shower right now or use the
No,
hot.
nobody.
Okay, we're gonna turn off.
Yeah.
The hot water.
Yeah. So will be
Is that
before
okay with it? To move that?
the stuff.
Oh yeah, if we can. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I make place there. Everything out and then.
I think that's okay right now. We're okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna shut off the water, so we're not gonna get. Well, there's probably gonna use. We'll do this one last.
Yeah.
But the service port. We'll get the chemicals and then the hoses.
Perfect.
Hoses in there. Let's see if you want to.
Yep. No gloves. Yeah. Need any pliers?
It doesn't matter which way it goes.
We're gonna do the red or the cold to the pump. This one. Go ahead.
It's gonna drain all the water that's in there. Okay, so now we close the hot water into the house and the cold water coming from the city. So we closed it and we opened up both ports. So now the only water that's gonna pass through it is this one. It's the only water. Let's see, does it automatically run?
Or do we have?
Oh, there's a
there's
button right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it loose? We have to tighten it. Want to turn it off really quick?
Turn it off real quick. That's pretty powerful.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. The black part has to be tightened onto it.
Yeah. So if you want let's loosen this. Yeah. You see those? Too much. Okay, go ahead. Okay, ready?
You wanna go for it? Timer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can see the water turning white a little bit. Okay. Flush it all the way.
20 o 30 minutos.
20, está bien. 20, está bien. Yeah.
So we let the solution go through. It's going through the lines all the way into the tubing and then coming back out and then going again. So 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I thought the water would come out, but I guess not. We can do the pump can go. I can do the blower. I think right about there. Yeah. So that'll flush all that out. We'll dump it and do one full bucket of flush and then dump that and then now it's good to go. So yeah, I think that.
Ready? Okay, so we can start removing the hoses, right?
That's gonna have
The cap?
let's do close this and then let's if you open that one, the blue, open it to fill it. How'd you do it? Which way was it?
Down.
Down?
Yeah. No, the other way, your way, this way.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, so there, and then now. Pressurize that. Now we're good. Okay, now this is close, yeah. Now we're good. We can close the take-off hose.
think I should be keeping an eye on if the hot water doesn't come or it doesn't reach out.
No, just once a year. No, just maintenance once a year. Look at the panels, look at the wiring. Go inside, and then either a bathtub, run hot water, or the sink, run hot water.
For a little while. Give it about a minute or two because there was chemical just to flush it. Yeah, to flush the chemicals.
The gas valve open up and then the flame and then
There it goes.
the inducer motor.
Yeah, there it goes.